We'll guide you through how to fix Streamlabs alerts not working. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Streamlabs desktop and go to the settings by clicking on the gear icon at the bottom left corner. Next, navigate to the Alerts section in the left-hand menu. Ensure that the alert box is enabled and configured correctly. Now, go to the Sources panel on the main screen of Streamlabs desktop. Make sure you have added the alert box as a source. If not, click on the plus icon to add it. Choose Alert Box from the list and add it as a new source. Once added, double-check the properties to ensure it's linked to your correct account. Then, go to your browser and open the Streamlabs website. Log into your account and go to the dashboard. From there, click on the alert box under Widgets. Scroll down and verify that your alert URL is correctly copied. Go back to Streamlabs desktop, click on the alert box source, and ensure the URL matches the one on the website. You can also test your alerts by clicking the Test button in the dashboard to ensure everything is working. If alerts still aren't showing, check your internet connection and firewall settings, as they might be blocking the alerts. Finally, make sure you're using the latest version of Streamlabs desktop, as updates often fix bugs and issues. Restart the program after making these changes, and your alerts should now be working properly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.